Why is Old Dominion #1 in customer satisfaction? Maybe it's our over 99% on-time rate, or how we support the dynamic digital marketplace. Our people never stop working to make your shipping easier. Old Dominion, helping the world keep promises.
Contract manufacturers are playing an increasing vital role in pharma's supply chain. Pharma's product pipeline continues to grow, and new product approvals are at a record high. In 2018, 51% of US FDA-approved new molecular entities were outsourced to contract manufacturers. Mounting political pressure in the US to bring down prices of drugs are prompting many pharma companies to expand the use of outsourced partners as a way to lower operational costs. All of these factors have culminated in a growing opportunity in the contract manufacturing space. Despite the recent completion of several big-ticket deals, the pharma contract manufacturing sector remains fragmented. In fact, the top 5 CMO companies own less than a 15% share of the market. But the market continues to grow, which will bring continued consolidation. Most experts see this as a positive. By acquiring, rather than building new facilities, CMOs can quickly add new capabilities, increase capacity, and expand geographical reach. M&A will be driven by a need to consolidate a fragmented business sector. Large pharma continues to outsource more and more of its manufacturing activity and wants to simplify its outsourced manufacturing supply chain by having larger integrated suppliers. The one-stop shop model enables contract service organizations to handle almost all aspects of the drug development, from preclinical services to commercial manufacturing. While this model was popular in the 80s, as CMOs grew and became more specialized, pharma companies began diversifying their suppliers. Recent market consolidation has again made the model common in the CMO space, but according to experts, there are pros and cons to this type of structure. On the one hand, a single source means more consolidated supply chain, and with that comes numerous time and cost-saving benefits. But on the other hand, some argue that the one-stop shop model means that pharma companies will have to compromise expertise, as they lose the ability to choose the absolute best service provider in each specific area. While the earliest adopters of continuous manufacturing were mostly large pharma companies who built dedicated continuous facilities, many contract manufacturing organizations are now seeing an influx of inquiries from pharma clients regarding outsourcing such capabilities. A handful of CMOs have jumped on board and begun embracing continuous alternatives, but not without facing technical and economic challenges. The consensus among most CMOs appears to be that true continuous is not something that will be reached in the short term.